Hey everyone, this is my first video. I'm so happy to have you here. Welcome to my channel. I'm Miss Purple Vibes. I've created a relaxed space where I show my daily activities, lifestyle moments, and cooking. Like this video here where I'm making one of my quick go-to meals, air fried wings and a side salad. We just vibing here. So whether you're a foodie, a home cook, or just here to chill and get inspired, there's something here for you. If that sounds like your vibe, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you again.